Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video we will see how to run PySpark code without Jupyter Notebook or without installing PySpark on your local machine. So for this particular tutorial we will be using Google's Colaboratory, simply Google Colab, which is one of the popular platform for machine learning tasks that you can actually run your own code, your machine learning code on this Google's platform, which provides you access to the GPU free of charge. Also, sharing is easy on this platform, as you can just share it via Google Drive, and there are several other ways also. It's a nice way to run Python, like it provides Python notebook from your browser only, so you can access this notebook from your browser. Also there you can perform much of the data science tasks. You can have matplotlib to create such visualizations, and yeah, pretty much most of the Python things can be done here. So let's as PySpark is just the Spark interface in Python, we can definitely run it into a web browser based Python notebook, which is Google Colaboratory. To get started with this, let's just click on file, and from there we will be having a new notebook. So it will open in a fresh tab. So where we'll get a new notebook. So as of now the notebook is untitled. Let's rename it to PySpark 1. So I have just renamed the notebook to PySpark 1, and .ipnyb. This is the extension for integrated Python notebook. If you have already used Jupyter Notebook, then you might be already familiar with this. This is just an extension for web-based or web browser-based Python files. Okay, so let's start with the Python code first to check whether it runs or not. I'm just going with the basic Python code. To run the code, you just need to click this play button, or you can hit Control Enter from your keyboard. So I'm just clicking on this play button. It will take some time to give our output. Perfect. So we are getting exactly what we expect. So let's try some PySpark code. To get the code prompt, either you can click here to add a new code prompt where you can write the code snippet, or you can just click Ctrl plus M and D. So I'm just clicking code only here. Let's import the Spark session. So I'm trying a basic PySpark command to check whether it's there or not. So I think, yeah, let's run this command, whether it works or not. Just simply, if it's not working, then installing PySpark with pip command will resolve the issue. So, and most of the time while using Colab, you need to do the installations. So I'm adding a new code snippet here. We'll install PySpark, as the error says that model not found error. So Control Enter. So it will take some time to get installed for this particular notebook. We'll wait till the installation completes. Yeah, so I think now uh, the prompt has changed to a green tick, and I think it's now successfully installed in for this particular notebook. So let's start with the code we typed before. Let's type it again. Yeah, so you can see the green tick. It means that the PySpark is now there, and we can run the PySpark code in this particular notebook. So that's the beauty of Google Colab. You basically don't need to do any installations on your local machine, and you can use it for free. And if you are specifically, if you are a beginner, you're getting started with PySpark, you want to run PySpark for the very first time, then I think Google Colab is the best way to start with. Here you'll be able to learn PySpark without installing it on a local system, and it will also provide a nice interface to play with all the inbuilt functions that are there in PySpark. So that's for this particular video. Hope you enjoy this, and please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.